Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to make 2-ingredient no glue paper slime that only takes 5 minutes to make, requires no glue, no refrigerator, and is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes at the moment. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last 6 video is also, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. So if you guys don't already know, no glue paper slime is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. I've been trying to perfect it the past year or so by making it require no refrigerator, which I know a lot of people don't like with no glue slime recipes. So today's recipe is going to be a no glue, no refrigerator, and only 2-ingredient slime recipe. So let's get right into it. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is paper. You'll need any type of soap. I'm just using this body wash from the Dollar Tree. A boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least is a mixing tool. Okay, so this recipe is pretty easy. It's kind of like my other ones, but a little bit different steps along the way. So I'm first going to get adding my soap into my boiler plate. Just like that. And why is there dog fur in my bowl? Oh my gosh, if you have dogs, you know how it is. Our fur just goes everywhere. So after adding my soap into there, I'm going to get out my paper. I'm using notebook paper. You can use paper towels. You can use toilet paper. But today I'm using good old notebook paper. And I'm going to get shredding it up now. Like that. And before we get adding in that, we're just going to get mixing this up a little bit to get it super bubbly. So mix the soap up for a second. Pretty good. Get adding in the paper now. So you want it super small so it dissolves into the soap pretty quickly. Okay, after that I'm just gonna get mixing it up. Mix it and mix it and mix it, and that's really all you do for this recipe is you just want to mix it up a bunch and get it all dissolved into there. So get mixing that on up. Here you tell it's getting super thickened. But you want to get that paper dissolved into there. And remember, you can add more soap as needed, is which I just did right now. Well, I cannot speak. Add some more paper into there. Add some more paper into there. And mix that on up. Mix and mix and mix. Now what I'm actually doing is I'm going to go in with my hands and I'm just going to start getting the soap mixture out, and I'm going to get kneading it up. Make sure the paper gets dissolved into there. That is how you make no glue paper slime. It's super easy to make. As you can see, I still have some more paper in here, so you don't have to use all the paper, but you can use enough to make the slime really good and nice like this one. And look at that. So awesome. It only needed 2 ingredients. But yeah, what are you guys doing? Go get trying out this no glue slime recipe right now. It's such a great one. A really fun summer craft or just any time craft. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much in peace. And remember to check out all my social medias. Will be linked down below, like my Instagram, TikTok, etc. And remember to check out all my recent YouTube shorts as well. Bye guys, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.